Hey guys, what's up? Jason here from Waiters Hobbies. Just coming back with a little video quick to tell you the Pro build is pretty much finished. So we were going to go with a slider slash roller for this build, but we decided to throw some electronics in it too. So threw the Power Hobby 729 in this bad boy. Pretty good servo for the price, biggest bang for your buck. We also threw the Hobby Wing Fusion SC system in it. This is an 1800 kV. Back here we have the Savox for the shift. If somebody doesn't want that in there, the lockout is in the box, so whoever wins this. Most people like to just lock that overdrive out. They don't have to shift it. I know a lot of comps don't allow you to do that just because they think you're shifting for dig. So, you know, my choice would be I'd probably throw the lock back in it. So I did throw the 35 weight oil in this, so you can change that. It does have, you know, pretty good droop on it. But we got a guy painting his body. It's going to be a custom body on this thing, so I'll probably do another video whenever we get that body done, just to give you guys the finishing touches and what this truck looks like when it's fully complete. So anyway, I hope one of you guys wins this rig and gets this thing on the rocks, and see what this thing can really do. So stay tuned for the last video, and take care, guys.